everyone, welcome to IBey Media.
I'm Beyenech.
And I'm Isiyak. We are happy to have you with us. We are here to make technology easy, explore smart AI tools, and help you build useful skills.
Together, we will guide you through digital landscapes with tech tips, innovative ideas, and smart strategies.
Each week, we will cover the topics that matter to you and help you to improve your skills.
So, if you are ready to elevate your potential and connect with a vibrant learning community, support us by subscribing and sharing our channel.
IBey Media, empowering digital minds.